Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda Renee, and in this video we will be doing a first impressions and review of the Tgin Triple Moisture Replenishing Conditioner on my type 4 colored natural hair. So if you're interested in seeing those results and my thoughts, keep on watching. So I am going to start off on the two sections of hair that I have. But before I do, I will unravel the hair to show you what my shampooed hair looks like. And I will just quickly show you what the conditioner looks like. I really enjoy the fact that it has a pump that has made the work less stressful. And smelling it, it smells floral and fruity. So I am really enjoying the smell so far. Definitely a pleasant smell. So I will drench my hair in water, then I will come back when it's time to use the conditioner. So now that the hair is drenched, what I'm going to do is just open the conditioner as it is a new bottle, and I am going to get out a good bit, about 8 or so pumps of conditioner, and I will show you that now. So as you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pumps. So as you're seeing, it does not look that thick, but it definitely is creamy. So I really enjoyed the consistency of it, and I am just applying it to that section of hair. And what I have noted while applying the conditioner is that it has a lot of slip. I'm not quite sure if it was even more activated since my hair was wet, but I thoroughly enjoyed the fact that my fingers were able to just glide through my hair, especially as it was freshly shampooed and furthermore clarified. So what I'm going to do now is just twist my hair up, and as you're seeing on my face, I was impressed and surprised by the slip. So what you'll see me do now is just twist up my hair to keep the hair from being tangled again, and I will move on to the other section. Then I'll come back when my hair is all done. Alrighty, so now that my hair is done, I will leave it in for 5 minutes since there was no specific instruction, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I rinsed out my hair. Didn't capture that on camera, but I just rinsed my hair with cool water, and here are my thoughts. Given the 5 minutes, I'm finding that my hair is soft for a conditioner, just a regular conditioner. I am finding that it is soft. It's not as soft as it would be if I used a deep conditioner. I'm not expecting deep conditioner quality from a conditioner, but the fact that I was able to get slip and detangle my hair, and also the fact that my hair even feels soft as I am retwisting my hair on camera, I think that this may be a new favorite, especially given the amount I'm getting in the bottle, which is 13 fluid ounces, especially given the price that I paid for it. I think that this may jolly well become a new favorite. Keyword may. But as it currently stands, I would give this a 7 out of 10. My hair definitely feels similar to the results that I got from the Camille Rose Jansen's Moisture Max conditioner, and it wasn't a bad conditioner. It did make it into my favorites. So maybe, just maybe, the Tgin conditioner will make it into the favorites. Who knows? But yes, I really did enjoy using this conditioner. I am interested to see the amount of moisture that I get if I left it for 10 minutes rather than 5. But as it currently stands, my hair is not dry. I am able to detangle my hair if I wanted to. I am also pleasantly surprised by the quickness of the detangling process. Although my hair was not fully dry with the Camille Rose Black Castor and Chevy conditioner, it does act as a clarifying shampoo, which does tend to strip your hair of the buildup and the oils from your strands. So whenever I use that, I have to keep it in mind. So I was really eager to see how much moisture I would have gotten from the conditioner, and I'm pleasantly surprised. For a conditioner, I am pleasantly surprised. If this were a deep conditioner, I would not have given it a 7 out of 10, but since it's a conditioner, 7 out of 10, absolutely. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, please like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more natural hair content, and I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye.